Hi, thanks for tuning in. This is the S&P ASX 200 daily update for Friday, the 16th of August 2024. The ASX 200 index closed higher today in response to the previous 4 days trading, where the index absorbed its way through a complex resistance zone. The market really accelerated higher with some intent today, and that can clearly be seen. Here's the complex resistance zone, made up of three main levels, and price really accelerated higher today. There was no attempt to test for supply or consolidate. Instead, the local market was offered more favourable trading conditions and obviously took advantage of that offer. This is the intraday chart. Price pushed sharply higher from the open, then traded roughly sideways in consolidation mode until midday. Here's the push higher from the open, and here's the period of consolidation sideways. Some moderate supply emerged during the afternoon, which is often the case on a Friday, and whenever price makes strong gains in a relatively short period of time. This supply was comfortably absorbed, and the lost ground was recovered by the close of trade. Here's the period of absorption here, and there was almost a period of buy the offer here, moving into the close of trade. Back to the daily chart. Spread was obviously increased today as price surged higher from the open. The close was strong, up near the day's high. Volume was increased and was effectively supporting today's strong push higher. The volume was not excessive and there was no price volume anomaly. Overall, the market pushed up to close adjacent to the highs of the mid to late July consolidation zone, where I expect another brief period of consolidation to take place. And you can see that here. Here's the consolidation zone I'm talking about here in mid to late July, and prices moved up to the highs of that zone today. And the most likely outcome now would be for a period of consolidation in response. Now, there may be a dip lower in response and then a recovery. At this stage, there's probably a 50-50 chance price actually tests this complex resistance level, which has gone from resistance to probably being support now. The depth and duration of any pullback to consolidate can be used to help judge the underlying strength or weakness of the current market. And you should pay attention here. The market does not have to come back and actually test the actual level. If price pulls back and then reverses and pushes higher before it actually tests that level, that's showing you that the market is so strong it's unable to pull all the way back to test that level. And the same sort of thing, if the market pulls back and it moves deeper than the actual level we're looking at testing before it recovers eventually, then the market's not quite as strong as if it wasn't able to reach all the way down. So the depth and duration of the period of consolidation is really important at a time like this, when the market's pushed through and accelerated above an important level on the chart. At the close of trade, the local market finished 105.6 points higher. Thanks for your time. I'll do weekly charts sometime, probably the ASX tonight. Thanks again. See ya.